Most of you guys are concerned about limited slip differential conversion set by RacingDiffs, about durability and how long it will last and if it makes any damage to the differential. So we decided to do a reveal video. We installed the conversion set when we bought this car 250,000 kilometers ago. We put some serious abuse to this car, as you can see from the bodywork. This is our daily box, which we use for regular jobs, to tow differentials, to tow race cars, to drive it on gravel, to drift it, to do some burnouts in front of the garage and everything, stuff like that. We really don't care about this car a lot because it's our daily box, as I said. It has a conversion set installed, and now I think we're gonna drop the differential down from the car, dismantle it and check for the condition of the conversion set, to do some inspection and to show you the state and the condition of the internals. We didn't do this before we decided to shoot the video, so it is real, it is fresh. We are excited as you are because we actually don't know the results. We will now take it to the street to test it finally before we do a disassembly, so to check if it works or not. So we probably guess what's inside the differential. So be with us and enjoy this video. And now to cut the shit and do some men's work. Please hold my chair. Are you ready? And dear our followers, we are finally ready to remove this conversion set from the differential from our test car, E39 2.5 diesel. The car passed about 250,000 kilometers with this conversion set, with no maintenance, no friction plates changed, no differential oil changed. So we are about to remove it, inspect it with you, to show you the internals and show you the condition of the conversion set. Since we no longer need this conversion set, we will remove it with hammer. Don't do it if you need to get it back. Do it with blocking tools, which you got from the conversion set. But as I said, we won't be returning it in the differential, so we'll just pop it up with a hammer. And that's it. Springs are alive, plates, friction plates. As you can see, friction plates have some wear signs on the friction surface between spider gears. Other side is quite good. Maybe we can measure the thickness to see how actually worn they are. 1.5 millimeter is original thickness. This is slightly less. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 1.4 right now, which means it lost 0.1 millimeter overall thickness, which is quite good considering conditions of the driving and amount of kilometers that this conversion set survived. So actually plates are quite good. Small signs of wear from the small spider gears, but nothing to be worried about. Plates are flat. That is important. They didn't bend from usage with this thin area. So you can drop down the camera to see that plates are flat, which means that they can be reused with another pair of friction plates. Springs are springs, they are alive. And now I'm going to remove the spider gears from the differential. As you guys often ask, what's the damage on the spider gears from the conversion set? You were all worried about the condition of the spider gears. Here's one spider gear. As you can see, it looks quite good. The friction surface is smooth, and it can be reused as well. Another one, a little bit dirty, but as you can see, friction surface is smooth again. So many of you guys asked the question about what if I decide to remove the conversion set, would I be able to continue driving without it with my old differential? So this is your answer. Actually, yes, you can do it. Just remove the conversion set, put everything back together, and you are perfectly able to continue driving without the conversion set as before. So no side effects to the differential, as you can see. And what is important, that this conversion set can be serviced simply with change of friction plates. You can purchase the friction plates separately. So this conversion set requires service, but it is serviceable. So unlike other similar products on the market, we show you that this conversion set is serviceable. Just change friction plates and continue driving. So this is actual condition of the conversion set. Quite better than I expected, but as you can see, everything can be replaced. To answer the question how the conversion set managed to stay in so good condition after so many kilometers of driving, which is related to your question about preload of the conversion set. As most of you guys test limited slip differential on a breakaway torque test, as we show in some of our previous videos, actually you can't test the conversion set with the breakaway torque test because it works on a very little preload setup. I will explain right now. So to show you parts how they look inside the differential, you have friction plates, spider gear, conversion set, central pin, another plate of the conversion set with the friction plate and the spider gear. This is how your differential looks like without the bell. So what is happening inside and how the conversion set actually works. Low preload setup gives you ability to drive it every day from home to work and so on, without any strange noises, unwilling locking of wheels and so on. But if you look closely right here, this is not a radial channel, this is ramp angled channel, because this is ramp and this is ramp 37 degrees of angle. So what do you get? Why we call it progressive? Because when your one wheel tries to slip, this spider or these spider gears tends to rotate different way than the other one. So this kind of rotation is happening when your wheel is spinning differently. So because you have a pressure here, when this spider gears tries to rotate different way, it moves the conversion set this direction. It carries it with itself. So it moves it this direction. The other one spins differently. It moves other plate to opposite direction. So what that means, show you without gears. This plate is moving this direction, this one opposite. You can look closely that when conversion set goes against the central pin, it has a ramp which actually is lifting the plate upwards. The other plate is being moved the same way downwards, putting and creating additional pressure to spider gears, adding lock to the differential. So when this happens, you have additional pressure put down to the spider gear, this one and this one, creating actually increasing the lock inside the differential. That is why we call it progressive. So thanks to our low preload setup and the progressiveness of the conversion set, it managed to stay in a good condition after such number of kilometers in our test car. And this is why it is so good for everyday usage. It is daily friendly, but it will ensure you have a differential locked when you need it, when you push the throttle. So more throttle you push, more lock you receive. This is the setup of the conversion set. So we show you how conversion set works, and we showed you actually the condition of the conversion set after driving in our test car. Actually, to be honest with you guys, we are quite surprised how good it looks. We expected worse results, but anyway, we are glad to see the situation is like this. We won't be returning in the car because we have another plans with the car, but that is the story for another video. So I suggest you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and wait for another video, because I can tell you a hint, we will be driving it on the two wheels sideways for a street race with two wheels lifted. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share, write us email if you have additional questions and so on, and stay well. Thank you for watching.